Get ready for work with me.
Hi friends, I've got some hair tips and some style tips for you today. I'm going to style up my hair and a beach dress to wear to work. Let me show you how I do it. So the first thing I do when I'm wearing my hair up in a sleek bun is I will take a toothbrush, so you want to get one with soft bristles, and this is really good for smoothing the hair when you put your hair up in a bun. So I like to spray a little bit of hairspray on my toothbrush, and then I will just go around my baby hairs and wispy bits, and this will really just give me that kind of sleek bun look. Next up, I will take a really soft scrunchie and I will simply go like this, twist around my finger, bun there. Then I'm going to take this beautiful scrunchie, I'm going to dress my bun by putting this once around the bun. This just adds a chic touch to any bun, plus I love how it actually makes the bun look bigger and thicker because of the illusion of the expansive fabric. Now that my hair is sleek in a bun, I like to give my brows slightly more structure. So to do that, I'm going to share my top tip for making your brows look instantly groomed and beautiful. I'm going to use the same hairspray, any hairspray will do, spray it onto your spoolie brush, and the trick is to just brush it through the base of your brow, through to your arch, and then with the tip, just smooth down the arch to the tail. And that really does just play up and emphasize the shape of your brow, which I think plays off nicely to the sleekness of the bun. When you're wearing your hair in a bun, I think it's a really nice touch to add some drop earrings to your look. It really does elongate the neckline and it plays up the bun in your hair beautifully. If you can find a pair of earrings that match the colour of your scrunchie in your bun, even better. I'm wearing a casual cotton summer dress, but to make it look slightly more sartorial and work ready, you might have noticed, but I've added the shade black to the outfit. I've added a crossbody bag, and I've also added little black sandals with studs that I think add a bit more edginess to the floral print on the dress. If you're watching this at home and you have some casual summer beachy dresses, then try adding the shade black to your outfit to give it more of a sartorial vibe and make it more work ready. Here friends is my final look, my beach casual dress made ready for work. I hope these tips inspire you next time you wear your casual beach dress to work. Bye.